Billy Coogan. I own Coogan Landscape here in Orange Beach, Alabama. We like using SiteOne.com because I can put orders in at any time. I don't have to bug someone at the branch. I can text my guys in the middle of ordering and say, what do we need? I like to use the website when I have more time. Pull it up on my iPad and have the full screen, scroll, check through list. I use the app a lot. If it's something quick I think of, I'll get on the app, put it in. I could do it from in my truck, 2 minutes, done. I like the list function because it helps you not forget things. If you know you're doing irrigation, our office manager organized all the things we order for irrigation regularly, and it takes the thinking out of it. And if it's something we used in the last week, it's probably on there. I'll just click, order, submitted, done, and usually get it that day. It is a lot easier to put in orders on the website and on the app because I don't have to bug anybody at the branch. I can do it whenever I want. The website is a win for everybody.